What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video. So in today's video, guys, we got a huge mod. It's actually a huge mod that we're doing to the 335. If you guys look at the back over here, it has a stock bumper. What do you think?
Actually, the trim package is pretty nice. What's cool about his bumper in the front and the rear, it actually has like this black
trim piece.
It's weird because the front, like normally I never see this.
Yeah, I think it's the sport line.
Because what's cool also, if you guys come over
here,
he has this in gloss black. I mean, you normally see trim that's black, but these are in gloss. I've never seen them.
It is actually, that's kind of weird.
Like, how is that a different color than the car?
That was an option. That's actually an option. It's like a $250 option, I think.
Alone or
alone?
The same package.
Maybe it's the same package as that.
I feel like it's the same package as that.
Yeah.
It's really unique.
It comes like that.
When it comes to wrapping your car, bro.
Pretty easy. I don't have to touch it.
All you have to do is wrap the roof and you're good.
For real.
All the other things you have to wrap is done.
Yeah, that's good. But anyway, guys, we actually got a new bumper for the car, if you couldn't tell already from the title of the video. Let's go ahead, get the bumper out, see what it looks like. Now, if you guys know, I have the M3 style side skirts, but I did not get M3 style bumper, front and rear bumper. Anyway, we got the rear MSPORT bumper. The front MSPORT bumper is still coming in the mail, so we're gonna wait to do that. We got the MSPORT bumper right here. It's still in the bag. It came with this little diffuser, and I got a good idea for this little diffuser, so stay tuned to the end of the video to know what I'm gonna do with that. I don't know what this is. Is this a bracket of some sort? Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to take off the OEM one and put on this one. It has a few other things in here as well. I don't think it's a 10. I think it's a T-bit.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
It's a T20.
The T20. I told you. I told you. You said it was a 10.
All right, Johnny McJohn. You ready for this?
Oh, look at those sensors.
Oh, you got some sensors there?
Got some sensors, okay.
It's pretty easy stuff, not gonna lie. I wouldn't unplug it, I would take the whole sensor out, just like unclip it.
Oh, really? Oh, this one was zip tied, so this was definitely taken off before.
Oh, really? Oh, that's probably what happened. You got rear-ended and then it broke off the clip and then you went back in there. Crazy. So the thing is, guys, I don't know how we're gonna exactly make this work because this other bumper, we also need to order, because I told Jonathan to order, but he didn't order it.
Wait, I need these pieces?
You need the bracket. So we're probably gonna have to try to figure out a way to rip those brackets off and super glue it onto the new bumper. It's possible, but it's a lot more work.
Okay, look at. Instead.
Oh, okay, if you can take off the whole bracket, actually, that'd be easier. Huh, there we have it. Just don't break it.
Okay.
All right, well that's one, perfect.
So
we got a bracket.
We have 3M tape here, right?
Not sure. He said here, like it's not even his, he's gonna use somebody else's. He's like, do we have any here? I don't have any. Anywho. So yeah, Jonathan just has to take all those off. We drill holes into this one. So if you guys have never drilled holes again, he is about to find out.
So guys, if you look on the bumper, it has like this little spot right here. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you can definitely see that. So we're gonna cut right there. There's 4 of them for each of the sensors.
Drill it out,
Yeah, so pretty much just drill it out. Go at a straight angle, I think, and you should be solid.
It's the right tool, I just don't know how this thing works. That's looking pretty crazy to me.
I'm gonna have to sand that off.
How's it looking on the other side? It's going through or anymore?
Needs a little bit more, to be honest.
So basically there's layers. So put it in all the way and you see like how much more you can go in.
Dude, that's good.
Perfect?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, well, that's one down. Alright guys, so luckily the highest setting on here.
Literally, yeah, it's literally perfect.
Literally perfect. So we can't mess this up.
We literally cannot mess this up.
We put the sensor through it.
If we mess this up, we're just
check it out.
Bad. Oh, that looks really, really good.
Perfect fitment. So that's perfect. Nope.
And once we get 3M tape, everything is gonna be looking really good. That was actually like a big concern. I was concerned about that.
I wasn't at all. I've seen people do it. The good thing is this bumper actually has the lines for it. So that's nice.
I didn't realize.
You could drill into any bumper, but you don't know if all of them are going to be kind of on the same level. You know what I mean? So those guidance kind of just helps.
Yeah,
make sure
definitely a plus. I'll go ahead and put this in the description too, the link for this bumper if you guys want it.
Drill that pretty freaking nice.
Oh my gosh.
Freaking perfect.
That was perfect. What the heck? That was literally like one try. What the heck?
You know, it's so smooth.
That was really good.
It's so perfect on both sides. I just like drill in and drill out all the way.
Oh yeah, I guess that's what we have to do then. Alright guys, so we're just taping and gluing the sensors back on right now. This one we kind of messed up on, so we're just putting glue on this one, so we have to wait a little bit longer for that. Once we're ready, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the car, and then it should be good to go. Alright guys, so my camera's actually overheating, so I put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes, just like right over there. I think it's pretty funny. While we were waiting for the camera to cool off, what we did, we went ahead and plastic welded it. Because for some reason the super glue wasn't working, so anyway we just like plastic welded it. The other ones are fine. Just
honestly, I think if we super glued one of the middle ones, it would have been fine. It's just that one, like it's
on the side.
Tapered,
yeah, it's like it goes up a little bit, so that's why we did that. Now I think we are getting close to ready to put it on the car, and now we should probably open up the diffuser. I haven't even seen the diffuser.
Yeah, we should check out the diffuser.
So we got the diffuser right over here in this box. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like, because I haven't even seen it yet.
This thing is so much, I can already tell it's so much more aggressive.
I know, dude.
It's gonna look good.
It's gonna look real good compared to having nothing. So, honestly, yeah, it's gonna look really good.
The aggression, oh my God. Dude, so you know those cars, they actually wrap the car and then they have like the actual color with the, dude, you should do that.
Paint it? Should I paint it?
Or wrap this, the same wrap as what you wrap the car with.
Really?
Yeah, that looks insane. Let's go ahead and slap that on.
It's really good fitment, dude. Oh my God. Yeah.
That was freaking great,
dude. Bro, look at that. That looks so good. Oh my God. Bro, it looks so good.
It looks really good.
Oh my God.
It's actually crazy good.
It's really good.
So I wouldn't get eBay side skirts, but I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, maybe like for the budget, like to be honest though, look at that fitment.
Okay,
that's really good.
I'm a Keys Motorsports user. I'm gonna point out something right now. This right here, you wouldn't see, like this gap.
No, that's true.
You wouldn't see on a Keys Motorsports bumper.
Oh, that is true.
But that's not that bad.
Here, let's just. No, to be honest,
that's like, not that bad.
It's not that bad. Oh my God, this thing looks so aggressive, dude. Bro, this was like 370. I think this was like 370.
This was one of the cheaper side ones.
It was like a mid-range one.
Dude, the fitment's actually really good on the side.
Bro, it's so good on the side. Look at that fitment. Like, I'm not complaining at all. This is like really nice, dude. It's MSPORT.
Yeah. Is it? Nah, your 135 was an MSPORT.
My 135 was an MSPORT, but. Oh my God, to actually put on an MSPORT bumper, like a brand new one, feels really good. Like, we had to cut it, so it kind of like, I don't know, but it looks really good. I did sand it down a little bit. I don't know if I caught that on video, but I did sand it down a little bit so that when we do wrap it, it will be really easy to do. I won't have to mess with anything later down the road. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Bro, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Dude, it looks so good. All right, let's go ahead, put on all the screws, everything, and then put on the diffuser.
Nice. Hold yourself. Yeah, but hold it.
Bruh.
Oh, ripped it out?
Yeah.
No way. Ah. Alright,
well.
I'll JB weld it again. Not JB weld it, but like.
Okay. Anyway, guys, we have come to the conclusion that we will not be able to get the diffuser on unless we take off the bumper. So we're taking off the bumper, and unfortunately, when we took it off, the sensors just like came right out. Both of them came right out. So we gotta redo that now. And the diffuser was just being a pain. So I think that now that it's off, it will be a lot easier. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be a lot easier.
I think it will be. We'll try to do that real quick. Let's go ahead and put on time-lapse mode. Alright guys, that was an absolute pain, but we got it on. It definitely takes 2 people to put on, so if you guys wanted to try this, definitely gonna need 2 people. It needs to be off the car, and pretty much what you do is you just pry up on the back side with a flathead, and the other person has to like push it down. So what I was doing was pushing it down while Nora was like using the flathead to like pull it over. Pretty much, it's really hard. Yeah, it's pretty rough. But that looks really good though. Yeah. Like I really like this diffuser. It looks really good. Oh my goodness.
We can pop these out, wrap it, so it's not a big deal.
Yeah, no, this is gonna be sick. So now we just gotta put on the sensors. 2 of them got popped off when we tried to take off the bumper on accident. So now we gotta re-put them on. And then after that, we should be pretty much good to go. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this bumper and diffuser. Dude, it looks so good. The FITMENT's actually pretty good once it's actually on. Actually, that side is a little bit off. Might have to mess with that a little bit. But for the most part, it looks really good, really aggressive. Like, I'm really happy with that, guys. Look at that. That looks really good. But now we actually gotta like screw in everything. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Do you think you can fix that? Regardless, it's so much more aggressive. It looks so much better. Alright guys, so I just finished putting on the bumper. I had to use a few zip ties because the diffuser didn't fit exactly properly how I would liked it to. So I used a few zip ties just to make sure it was all good, sturdy. I don't want the diffuser falling off. So it's definitely not gonna fall off now. The bumpers should be fine. Now, I think what we're waiting for is the front bumper and then the wrap and then also the lowering spring. So we're waiting on those things. I might end up painting the wheels too and keeping these for a little bit. I really like this style, but I do want to switch it up. I don't want it to look too OEM, so maybe I will paint them. We will see, we will see. I'm not entirely sure what to do just yet. But what I did want to mention is down below in the description, I have a store selling decals. And so I figured with this diffuser that I got over here, with the bumper, it's for a 320i, F30 320i. I don't think it fits the 328. It's the single exhaust, so I believe that's the 320i. If you guys want to be entered to win that, go ahead, purchase a decal down below, and then you're automatically entered to win the diffuser. Once I hit 25 sales on the decals, I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winner for the diffuser, just as a little nice little thing to give away. I figured it would be a good idea to just give it away since I don't really have any use for it. So go check out the store, guys, down below. Help support the channel. by doing that, by buying a decal, you're really helping me out by being able to afford the mods, because I don't have any sponsorships. I'm buying all these mods out of my pocket. If you guys really want to support the channel, go check out some decals down below. Help me out. Go check me out on Instagram as well. I'll throw it up right over here. Taking the photography game a little bit more seriously now. I want to start doing photography more. So go check me out on Instagram. But without further ado, guys, remember to stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that BMW. And I will catch you guys later.